Hi there everybody. So on today's video I have this Toyota Prius. This is a 2010 and basically what's happened is one of these is not working. One of the side lights. Where is it? Just here. This one here is not working. So I'm gonna have to replace it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And basically we're gonna start by getting the bonnet open here. So get your bonnet open. You just need to pull on the lever that's inside of the car to get the bonnet open a little bit, and then you'll be able to, if you press this here, you'll be able to get the bonnet up and then get that bar onto there. Now the easiest way to access this side light bulb here, it's to, if you undo this 10mm bolt here, it's a really long bolt. If you take it out, and what we can do here, it's, you can just get this out of the way a little bit, and then that's just gonna allow your hand to fit much better under here. So I'm gonna try to show you what I'm basically touching there. Okay, so that's the bulb there, and that bulb is basically that connection there. I'm just looking at it in the mirror there to give you an idea, and all we need to do is twist it anti-clockwise. So I'm gonna get my hand in there. I don't know if I can actually film that, but we'll try. Okay, so just getting my hand in there. It's a bit, you can just about see the wiring there. So I'm just gonna twist that and take it out. And there it is. So just get the bulb out. The bulb just literally pulls out. Side light bulb. This so exactly something I can quite focus on much, but it's a 12-volt 5-watt W5W. These are very common. Most cars have it. So anyway, just take that to your shop and get one of those. Okay, I've got my new bulb. So all we need to do now, it's plug that into the connector, and all of these will be a lot easier with two hands. So that's in there now, and just back into that hole. Get it back in there, and in this time we just need to turn it clockwise. So just make sure the bulb goes out straight. Until you find the Correct, that's it, that's gone in now. And now I can twist it and secure. And that's it. So it's not really that hard, and it'll be a lot easier with two hands. You can also access your other bulbs here. You can just about see the back of that. That's the other bulb there, and then there'll be another one a little bit higher up. So we got that one, the one we can see, and then there'll be that one which is a bit more to the right, and you can access all of those through here. So that's where that's where the one on the far right is. And that's it. And that's it basically. It'll be the same procedure on this end. You've got a lot more access here, to be honest, to the other valves, to the top one there. You got much better access on that side than on this side, but it's not really that bad. And then you just need to get this back in there, get your 10mm, and that's it. So hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.